Hello, guys, and welcome to Learn English through Speeches. So, let's get started. Today, I want to talk about something that I believe is essential to our well being, our happiness, and our success. Something that can bring us joy, comfort, and support in times of need. That something is friendship. Friendship is a bond between two people that transcends blood ties. It's a connection that built on trust, loyalty, and mutual understanding. Friends are the people who make us laugh, cry, and grow. They are the ones who encourage us to pursue our dreams and support us through thick and thin. Studies have shown that people with strong social connections tend to live longer, healthier, and happier lives. Friends can help us reduce stress, improve our mental health, and increase our sense of belonging. But friendship isn't just about receiving, it's also about giving. It's about being there for someone, listening to them, and offering a helping hand. It's about being selfless, empathic, and understanding. I'll never forget my best friend who stood by me during my toughest time. We met in college and instantly clicked. We shared our hopes, fears, and dreams with each other. When I lost my job, he was there to listen, to advise, and to encourage me to keep going. In conclusion, friendship is a precious gift that we should cherish and nurture. It's a relationship that requires effort, commitment, and love. So let's make time for our friends. Let's listen to them and let's be there for them. As the famous saying goes, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Let's cultivate meaningful friendship that bring joy, support, and purpose to our lives. Thank you so much, guys.